Hey friends, who's hungry? Homemade scalloped potatoes with bacon are nothing like the boxed mixes you buy from the store. Thinly slice 3 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. I like using a mandolin slicer for this, but a sharp knife will also work. Cook 6 slices of thick cut bacon in a medium skillet until crisp. Remove the bacon from the skillet and set aside, but reserve the grease. Add 1 thinly sliced onion and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Saute until the onions become brown and soft, about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the onions from the heat and set aside. Pour 1 cup of beef broth into the saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring the broth to a simmer. Add the potatoes to a large mixing bowl, along with the onion and the cooked bacon. Stir until the mixture is well combined. Grease a 3-quart casserole dish with cooking spray. Layer the potatoes in the casserole dish, then pour the hot broth over the top. Dot the surface of the casserole with 4 tablespoons of cubed butter, then bake for 45 minutes in a 425-degree oven. Remove the casserole from the oven and sprinkle the top with 1 cup of shredded pepper jack cheese. Then bake for an additional 5 minutes until the cheese is melted. Allow the potatoes to sit for 15 minutes before serving. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.